Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a hair salon and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your hair salon. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. Let's go ahead and search for our market, hair salon. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm going to click on continue and let multi-sites generate a website for me with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking for your hair salon. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of the beautiful hair you've transformed. Maybe you don't quite offer all these services. You want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written, make it a little bit more personalized. So now I'm going to be quickly showing you how to do that. It's super simple. Don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number. That is click to call, by the way, as well as our address, our physical location. Once your website is live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. It's very convenient. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section over here to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can make slight amendments to it, like cropping it, rotating it, adding filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with multi-sites, we pre-selected the colors. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. You don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on the button directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own awesome images or search through that photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, very high quality and all free to use. You now also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a profile, automatically pull in all those images from your profile. And update action, we can change that button text as well as where the button links to. You can even link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings, you have a third-party app to link to. Otherwise, upload a PDF file with your treatment menu, your haircut price list, or your various catalogs or something like that in PDF format so your customers can download it. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to you here with their queries easily. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You can now purchase a custom domain via the multi-site platform. Hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.